conventional cough syrups are a complete bust. There have been study after study showing that honey is just as effective as over-the-counter cough syrups. The active ingredient in Robitussin, most of these cough syrups, is an ingredient called dextromethorphan. And there was a study done looking at upper pediatric respiratory infections comparing honey to dextromethorphan, just as effective with the honey. And then subsequent studies have followed after seeing that. That was a pretty large scale study. And so we have enough evidence now. There is no need to take cough syrup. You don't need to. So if you're buying cough syrup, choose a honey-based one.